Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Start by choosing the correct SSD type for your system and needs. Choose an NVMe M2 drive or a 2.5-inch SATA SSD for boot speed and compatibility. Inspect the motherboard for an M2 slot and available SATA ports or 3.5-inch bays before buying. Check power connectors, the required 22x80 size for some M2 modules, and any heatsink clearance. Back up your current OS image to an external drive or cloud first to avoid data loss. Decide between cloning your existing drive or performing a clean install. Use disk cloning software to copy the OS to the SSD sector by sector if you want identical settings. Alternatively, perform a clean install from a USB installer for best long-term performance and fewer legacy drivers. Boot into BIOS or UEFI and ensure storage mode is set to OSI and that UEFI boot is enabled if your OS supports it. Create a bootable USB using the official media tool before continuing. Power down and ground yourself before touching internal components to prevent static damage. Physically install the SSD in the M2 slot or mount a 2.5-inch drive with screws and connect the SATA cable and power if required. Power on and enter BIOS or UEFI. Set the SSD as the first boot device and disable the old drive temporarily to confirm successful boot. In the OS Enable trim, check partition alignment and verify boot time and overall system responsiveness for successful migration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.